Hello guys, here is I have Samsung A12 and you can see screen is cracked and I'm going to show you how to replace the screen. First we're going to remove this SIM card and now you're going to open the back cover. We're almost done. The left side we just lifting up slowly. There is the fingerprint cable and now we're going to remove this all screw. We already remove all screw and there is one lock with the open tools. We just lifting up. There it is. And remove the back panel and now we're going to remove the battery connection. There is the battery connection and left side there is one black screw. You have to remove that one. Now you're going to remove the screen connection and there is antenna connection. Now you're going to remove the motherboard. Bottom side there is one lock. We just lifting up the lock and there is charging port connection we have to remove. And with the open tools we're gonna lifting up charging port, which come out easily. Now we're gonna remove this speaker. This phone I think previously fixed it, so that's so easy to remove everything. And now you're gonna remove this vibration. And now you're gonna remove this ear speaker. Apply some heat behind. The tweezer we just lifting up, it's come out easily. And there is one steel plate, we have to remove that one. I think we need to apply some heat. Yes, we remove. Now we're gonna remove the battery. Apply some heat behind and then use some alcohol on side. And with this we just lifting up. It's not gonna be too much glue because previous time is open, so easy to open now. We just make even the battery unbanded. Now you can see it's straight now. There is the new screen and it comes with the volume flex. We don't need it from old screen. Remove this plastic. Just press the down volume connection. This plastic, remove it. And we're gonna put it back now, vibration. There is, we're gonna put it back speaker. Before put the speaker, we're gonna put back this steel plate. Then we're gonna install the speaker. This one is the air speaker. Now we're gonna install the motherboard. Make sure it's on center. Just press the down lever. And now we're gonna install one screw, black color. Gonna install that one to hold the motherboard. And bottom side we need to put it back the charging port. First we're gonna install the speaker, the loudspeaker. And now you install the charging port. Connect the charging port connection. This is the antenna line, and we're gonna put back this plastic panel and install all the screw. We're done with the screw. Now you're gonna install the battery. Apply some tape on both sides so you sticky the battery. Install the battery. And now you're gonna connect the screen connection. And antenna line connection. Now you're gonna connect the battery. Now you're gonna connect this plastic panel. Press it down and install all screw. Now you're gonna connect the fingerprint flags. There's the fingerprint flags. You connect now. You're done here. Now you're gonna close the phone. First on top side, then right side. Make sure press the button. Make sure volume button is clicking. It's clicking. Now I'm gonna insert the SIM card, and now I'm gonna turn on the phone. It's turning on. It's on now. Let me swipe up. You swipe up, go to the emergency, and check the screen. Yes, his screen is working. Slide it down. Yeah, it's working everything properly. And that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.